It's not going up, but it's not going down, but it's going nowhere. What does that tell you? Because the company could be so good that every time it goes down, people would what? Buy. But the company is not so cheap that every time it goes up, no one's willing to buy it higher. Can you follow? What this question kasi kanina the question kanina, if you're buying the index or you're buying index funds, you can use the index as your reference to add more. If you're buying individual stocks, pwede kasi, please remember this, pwedeng sideways yung index, pero yung individual stocks inside of it are still moving up or down. So it doesn't follow naman. But most of the time, majority of it will follow that if it's sideways, the index is sideways, some of the stocks are also moving sideways. If you look at the big ones, Ayala, Video, they're all also, they can't break a certain resistance. Questions? Yes? Okay. Okay.
Buying this from the bond, the click niya yun, down.
Okay.
Can I start buying this at 2.5?
2.5 here. And
then yung pag-break niya sa...
This area?
Yes.
Pwede. Kaso yung risk mo lang doon is, what if it goes sideways? Nagkataon lang dito, after breaking this, nag-sideways siya kung sumakyat. What if from here, gumanon siya talaga? Yun lang yung risk mo doon.
Well, sabi mo sideways, so I will begin trading na lang.
Pwede rin. Pwede. Pero kung if you're just gonna trade, kahit dito pwede mo gawin yun . Diba? If you're talking about this and this, pwede mo rin gawin dito yun . That's the difference between quick trading. It doesn't matter. It's irrespective of where the general trend is naman.
So for a position trading,
Perspective. Mas maganda, the clearer the reversal, the better.
So it's best to buy it at 2.8.
Hindsight, this looks at the best kasi it went up after this. Pero hindi mo kasi alam na mag-break niya to. So this, for me, I would come in somewhere here. Now look at it also. Ito, from pagkalabas ko dito, ang tagal niya nag-sideways pa rin . This is 3 months now. This is from November to February. Matagal din to. So, it just looks na medyo malaki na yung inakyat niya, pero from here to here, it didn't move. Tapos if you look at it from that perspective, in 3 months, since the breakout there, 12% lang siya. Samantalang ito, a few days lang, 11% also. So this is the difference. From here to here na nag-breakout siya, 3 months, 12%. This one, few days lang, 11%. So, yeah. Questions? Yeah, para stocks by request na. Okay, good morning. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to another edition of our stocks by request. Now, we have Errol from, okay, sige. Okay naman. Okay. So, if you look at EEI, if I zoom out, you'll see this. What trend does it look like it came from? This one. This is a downtrend that it's now trying to move sideways. Remember, there's 2 types of sideways. This one, yung EEI is under this. See that? Downtrend then sideways. Pero majority of the stocks in the index, up, then they are sideways. So when you look at it, when you say sideways, they look parang sideways. Pero they're not the same as sideways because others came from here, pag ganun, then others came from up to go inside. So if you want to trade it, the support is at 7.6 to 8. That's the best and strongest support that you have. Which, nakalipas na.